In this video, I will explain the three-tier governance structure of the IFRS Foundation. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Yama, a certified management accountant working in the US with a master's degree in accounting and finance from the UK. On this channel, I simplify complex accounting topics like IFRS with clear explanations, practical applications, and real-life examples. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, the IFRS Foundation refers to the organization that encompasses the IASB, the ISSB, the IFRS Advisory Council, the IFRS Interpretation Committee, the admin and support staff, and the trustees. I will explain each of these shortly, but for now, let's start from the top. The monitoring board is at the public accountability tier. The members of the monitoring board consist of representatives from global securities regulators and public authorities like the European Commission, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and many more as listed here. The main responsibilities of the monitoring board are to approve the appointment or reappointment of the IFRS Foundation's trustees and to ensure that the trustees perform their duties as outlined in the Constitution of the IFRS Foundation. Basically, they oversee the trustees and ensure public accountability of the IFRS Foundation. Next, the trustees are at the governance tier. They are mainly responsible for the oversight and governance of the International Sustainability Standards Board and the International Accounting Standards Board. They are also responsible for ensuring adequate funds for the operation of the IFRS Foundation and appointing members of the IFRS Interpretation Committee, the IFRS Advisory Council, the ISSB, and the IASB. Currently, the trustees have these 21 members. Next, the International Sustainability Standards Board, or ISSB, focuses on developing high-quality, globally accepted IFRS sustainability-related disclosure standards. Currently, the ISSB has these 14 board members as of 2024. Moving on, the International Accounting Standards Board, or IASB, is the most important group of all. The IASB is the independent standard-setting body, mainly responsible for developing and issuing international financial reporting standards, IFRS, including the IFRS for SMEs. They aim to create accounting standards that are globally applicable, understandable, and enforceable. They are also responsible for the approval of the IFRS interpretations developed by the IFRS Interpretations Committee. Currently, the IASB has these 14 board members, who are selected based on their technical knowledge and experience. Next, the IFRS Interpretations Committee offers authoritative guidance on interpreting IFRS standards. They are also responsible for responding to stakeholders' questions about the correct application of the IFRS accounting standards by developing and issuing IFRS interpretations. IFRS interpretations are designed to clarify the application of IFRS standards and address specific issues that are not explicitly covered by the IFRS standards themselves. Once these interpretations are approved by the IASB, they become an integral part of the IFRS framework and must be applied by entities following IFRS. As of 2024, these are the board members of the IFRS Interpretations Committee. Next, the IFRS Advisory Council provides strategic advice to the two boards and the trustees. Its members includes a wide range of representatives from across the world. And lastly, the executive director, who is appointed by the trustees, is responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of the IFRS Foundation. They report directly to the trustees and oversee the IFRS Foundation's administrative and support staff. It's important to note that each of these groups has various other functions and responsibilities as laid out in the IFRS Foundation's Constitution. You can download a PDF copy of the IFRS Foundation's Constitution from the link provided in the description below. Alright my friend, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've got value from it, then you will like this video where I talk about the global reach of IFRS. So go watch that next and I will see you there. Bye bye and take care.